Hey, so this is going to be a great video right here because my friend, Mr. Rudy Mawer, one marketing powerhouse that is one of my favorite people to talk about marketing out there, a good friend of mine that actually has done incredible scaling e-commerce brands. He's going to talk about in this workshop, in this little video, how to actually succeed in the world of social media advertising, how you can scale brands successfully. And there's many takeaways on this video right here. So make sure that you get ready to take your notes and implement some of the things that he talks about, because he's going to teach you the reality of the world of business, acquisition of customers, what it takes to really acquire a customer for the first time, and more. So pay attention, listen up. It's going to be a great one.
What we'll cover, okay? 5 or 6 things. So first thing, to make any type of Facebook ad or advertisement you ever do, whether you're putting a billboard up, radio ads, TV ads, Google ads, a social media post, Facebook ads, TikTok ads, Instagram ads, you need a ridiculously irresistible offer, okay? What that does is, what? Catches people's attention, okay? You get about half a second when someone sees an ad, you get half a second to make them stop. Most business owners, 99% of business owners, probably a lot of you in the room today, haven't even crafted an irresistible offer that's going to make people stop in half a second. Okay? And what that means is you're running ads, but you're set up to fail. Like I said, you're trying to run a race without running shoes, starting 100 yards behind everyone else. Okay? Who wants to spend their money knowing that they're set up to fail? Okay? So one key to fix that is having an irresistible offer where people stop and they want to click. They stop and they're excited to click. Okay? Next is, once you get the click, what do you then have to do successfully? You have to convert them, right? You have to take them through a buying journey. Okay? And in real life, this is very easy to understand. If you walk into a clothes store and they have no clothes on the rack, how much money are you going to spend there? 0. If you walk into a restaurant and there's rats on the floor and there's no good food on the menu and the plates are dirty, how much are you going to spend? But that's everyone's website I see that's trying to run ads. And then they wonder why their ads don't work. And they lost money. It's obvious in real life, it's not so obvious online. And people haven't learned that, right? But if you went into any of those 2 establishments I just gave you, and they were trying to run Facebook ads and they asked you why they weren't working, and you were like, well, I'm sending you customers every day, but you're not making any money. And they're like, yeah, I don't get it. It's because they're not set up for success. It doesn't matter how many customers you put through the front door. Same with your online business, okay? After that, what is key? Well, let's use the restaurant and the clothing store analogy. Imagine you come in, you fix the restaurant, you fix the clothes store, you put beautiful clothes around, you put great customer service, put display racks, changing rooms, you come into the restaurant, you hire a world-class chef, you clean it up, make it really pretty and hygiene, great hygiene, world-class menu, world-class food. They're going to start converting, start making money from the traffic, right? But then what happens if the customers never come back ever again? Okay? Becomes what? A constant battle to make money and survive in business. It's what a lot of you probably feel right now. Constant battle. If you turned off the advertisements or you walked away as the CEO or the owner of the company, how long would your company last? How long would your company maintain current revenue? Would your company grow? Very few of you wouldn't grow. Some of you might maintain for a little bit and then drop, but a lot of people would just drop right away, okay? Because a big part of it is having that repeat customer base, okay? And sadly, repeat customers consistently, they don't come in because you offered a great service. A small percent will. But to get a lot of repeat customers, just like anything else in business, you need what? A system. Repeatable, scalable system to get those customers back, okay? After you've got those 3 things right, you need to do what? Be able to track the success of it. You need to know what? How much money did I spend? How much money did I make? How many customers came back? Okay, you need to track everything. And then finally, you've got to scale it. Well, now my restaurant's full, it's doing well, So a lot of the customers come back because they love the experience, okay? I know my metrics. I'm spending 20 grand a month on ads. I make 200 grand a month back. The restaurant's capped. What do I need to do now? How do I scale? I got to open a new location, okay? Scalable traffic. You've got to build a business that can actually scale. A lot of solopreneurs make a lot of money, but they come on, my calls, my coaching. Like, Rudy, I make 200 grand a year, but I can't get past me. I can't hire a team. I can't scale. I can't grow past that, okay?
If you're enjoying this content, please go ahead and subscribe. Help me comment below and let me know if you have any questions about marketing. And I'm on a mission to help as many of you as possible conquer the marketing world. So help me out. Subscribe, hit that button, hit that bell, get notified. We're going heavy with content in this 2021 year and beyond. Go ahead and subscribe right now.